position.
First interception and 210 pass attempts from Burrow. Second and 16 after the penalty on Jones. Tannehill looking for it all. Touchdown! A.J. Brown! Tremendous grab!
Tremendous grab by A.J. Brown, but a tremendous throw by Ryan Tannehill. He's got Awuzie on the outside, just a little stutter and go, just enough for Awuzie to settle, but that back shoulder throw so Bell can't get to it, and then the control by Brown to come up with, it's a one-handed grab. He didn't even have use of his right hand, Ian. He cradles that right in. Great ball placement, even better catch.
Phenomenal. 33 yards, a strike from Tannehill.